Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the story of one of our most mysterious human relatives, a species that walked the earth at the same time as us, Homo sapiens. Get ready to meet Homo Luzonensis, also known as Callao Man. Our story begins in 2007 on the island of Luzon in the Philippines. In a place called Callao Cave, a team of archaeologists led by Armand Miares uncovered a single foot bone. At first glance, it was clearly from a hominin, a member of the human family tree. They dated it to about 67,000 years ago, making it the oldest evidence of humans in the Philippines at the time. But who did this bone belong to? The evidence was too slim to say for sure. They nicknamed the individual Callao Man, and the mystery began. For over a decade, the team kept digging. Then, in 2010 and 2011, their hard work paid off. They found 12 more bones and teeth from the same layer of the cave. These weren't from just one person, but at least 3 individuals, 2 adults and 1 child. And these new fossils were a game changer. They included finger and toe bones, part of a thigh bone, and several teeth. When the scientists studied them, they realized they were looking at something completely new. So, what makes Homo luzonensis so special? Well, it's a fascinating mosaic of ancient and modern traits. Their teeth, for example, are surprisingly small and simple, much like our own. This suggests they had some modern features. But then you look at their hands and feet, and the story gets weird. Their finger and toe bones are curved, a lot like the bones of much older hominins, like Australopithecus, who lived millions of years ago in Africa. This curvature is an adaptation for climbing trees. It's a very primitive trait for a hominin living just 50,000 years ago. This mix of features is what scientists call a mosaic. It's like putting together a puzzle where some pieces are from one box and some are from another. The small teeth are modern-like, but the climbing-adapted hands and feet are ancient. This unique combination told the scientists they had discovered a brand new species. In 2019, they officially named it Homo Luzonensis, after the island where it was found. The local people have a nickname for them too, Ubag, which is a reference to a mythical cave-dwelling ancestor. One of the biggest questions surrounding Homo luzonensis is how they got to the island of Luzon in the first place. Even during the Ice Ages, when sea levels were lower, Luzon was always an island, separated from the mainland by deep water. Did they intentionally build rafts and cross the sea? Or did they get washed out to the island by accident during a tsunami or a storm? We don't have a clear answer, but either way, their presence on the island is a testament to their incredible resilience and adaptability. Living on an island can also lead to some interesting evolutionary changes. One phenomenon is called island dwarfism, where large animals evolve to be smaller over time due to limited resources. Based on the small size of their teeth and bones, scientists believe Homo luzonensis was likely quite small, maybe under 4 feet tall. They were tiny humans, perfectly adapted to their island home. Sadly, just like the Neanderthals and Denisovans, Homo Luzonensis eventually disappeared. They vanished from the fossil record around 50,000 years ago. We don't know why. Was it a changing climate? Competition with newly arriving Homo sapiens? Or something else entirely? The story of Ubag is still full of unanswered questions. Each new discovery just adds another layer to the complex and beautiful story of human evolution. What do you think happened to them? Let me know your theories in the comments below. It's incredible to think about these small tree-climbing human relatives sharing the planet with our own ancestors. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the past. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next exploration. See you next time.